Everyone who wants to be the authority on a country, on what is happening in the country, doesn't know the country. And when you push hard and challenge, they start telling you, no, but we heard this thing from so-and-so. We went on the internet and, I mean, the internet is not the best place to look for the truth that you want to believe. By the way, if we cooked numbers, we would be cheating ourselves. We wouldn't be cheating anybody else. I don't think these people who write stories about us are people we want to please or to satisfy that. No, we want to satisfy ourselves. And I think it originates from also the stereotypes, the prejudice that is always out there. It's as if Africans can't do fine. Africans have to be doing things that must be validated by others somewhere. But we don't need any validation. We want to do things that benefit us, that put us in a place where we want to be. It's not that we want to please these guys who tell a lot of stories about us.